Hey everybody, I'm Tony Rigatoni, and this is Dinner in Under a Minute.
All right, guys, I'm making a timpano. I don't know if you ever saw The Big Night, but it's in that movie. It's very famous. You start with some pasta dough. You gotta roll it out. All right. Then I got the rigatoni, the red sauce, the ham, the cheese. All right. Then I got some ricotta, mozzarella, boiled eggs, and some meatballs. All right. More cheese. The cheese I'm using is cheddar and Parmigiano Reggiano, and then a mozzarella. Now I put my salami on top. I got my spinach, and then I'm gonna go in with some more rigatoni and my pesto. It's just a little bit of a hybrid parsley basil pesto, you know. Now I put some more cheese, cheddar, mozzarella on top. Then I bake that thing for an hour at 375. Now I'm gonna flip it over and get ready for this mother. Oh my God. And look, you guys, I prepared to just freak out. It's the colors of the freaking Italian flag. What do you, stop. I'm not